Hey everyone, Brian from WorkshopAddict.com, and we have here GEARWRENCH's new 42-inch 11-drawer mobile workstation, model number 83169. This workstation was designed from the ground up for people who need something customizable, something that's going to fit all their needs, and is completely mobile, so they can move it around, do what they need to do, bring it back to their station at night, lock her up, and everything's secure. This thing is amazing for what it has into it. It was designed more around what people might use it for instead of what exactly is inside of it. And tool companies are notorious for making things set up specifically for their tools or for what they produce. And this box is completely out of the ordinary, so we're going to dive in deeper and take a close look at it. Let's start out at the front of this unit with the top drawer, which is 21 inches deep, 29 inches wide, and all of these organizers can be removed, put in any place you want. Even the center ones can come out, so you could have one big drawer. You can do just about anything that you want with this drawer. I set it up for a couple different power tools that I had, but I don't want to limit you to thinking that you could use it just for one specific thing. This could be used for anything. Now the rest of the drawers are all 21.5 inches deep. These are 17.5 inches wide. The smaller ones are 8 3/4 inches wide. Now all the drawers are rated for 100 pounds except for the bottom two, which are rated for 200 pounds. I put 2 John Deere weights in here, and you can see the drawers still close and open just like they should. Everything up here is on ball bearings, and these drawers really slide nice. They have a small handle underneath here that you have to pull to open them. Each drawer comes with its own liner already installed, along with a liner on the top. Since this cart is meant to be mobile, you have 6-inch by 2-inch wide casters on the bottom that are greasable, and the whole cart is rated for 2,500 pounds. The left side of the workstation has a 15 amp power strip that's available with 2 USB outlets. Now if I could change 2 things on this bench, I would put a lip right here so that you could hold things in place while you might be charging them. And I'd put 2 grommets going in here to the bottom, so if I put a charger or anything else in the bottom section, I could lock up my batteries and my charger overnight while this was continually charging everything. Inside this lockable drawer, you have a shelf that's adjustable fully up and down, along with pegboard in the back. If it's not locked, it's magnetically held closed, and it works quite well. On these corners, you have some plastic guards in case you bump into anything, and the powder coat on this is absolutely awesome and thick. When you're installing this handle, if these screws do not go in well, get out a tap and go through it. We had some extra powder coat in there, and I mean, it's thick in a nice powder coat. Around back, you have the cord wrap for your power strip, and you have 3 different hooks here. Each are rated for 35 pounds. You could easily change these out to anything you wanted, as there's basically nut zerks on the inside of here. You could mount anything you wanted on the back. The right-hand side of this unit has a paint storage container on the bottom. Again, can be used for anything you'd like it to be, and it can be moved up and down through all these strips. You also have a storage container on top that has 3 different basins in it. That can be moved up and down here. 2 more of your hooks that are screwed into place, and then pegboard for anything that you'd like. There's a lot of pegboard on this guy, so if you're into hanging tools outside or you need the extra storage for something, it works out great on both sides of the unit. When you're looking at this unit, it screams build quality, and this top is also capable of handling a vise. So if you're in an industrial place and you're moving around and you need to have something that you can completely work on anything there, it's right here. That's what I just think sets this completely apart from all the other mobile workstations out there. You have huge casters, you got a great powder coat job here, which helps keep it looking decent for some time. Your storage space can be organized any way you want it. You have lockable areas on the side to hold just about anything that you can think of. You've got pegboard internal that's lockable, external that's not. All your drawers up front are fairly deep, so you can hold multiple different things in there. I think that's huge for someone who's on the go or moving around. In our shop here, this is going to be awesome to keep a lot of our impact wrenches in it, a lot of the things that we would use while we're right next to a project, like you're doing a brake job, like you're changing some axle splines out, anything like that. You can work on the top of this. You can access all your tools, even if they're specialty tools, on the inside. And it just makes a heck of a difference that you do not have to run back and forth to a toolbox. Everything is right here, and it's in a nice quality package. I can't say enough about that, because sometimes we get units in here that have the smaller casters. This one's set up to rock and roll for anyone who wants to use it for just about anything they can imagine using it for. So check these out. They're new, just coming on the market, so there'll be more information on them fairly soon. We appreciate your time, guys. Make sure you follow us on social media. Give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more tool news and giveaways. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.